In Vectorworks 2011, we have vastly improved the space object to increase your productivity and give you more parameters to make the most accurate space for your project. As always with the space tool, you have the option to draw the space object with any of the available polyline modes, but now there is also a paint bucket mode, which allows you to click within the wall boundary and have the space automatically be created. This would work great to create multiple preset spaces all at one time. When creating spaces using the paint bucket mode, all of the spaces are given the same space name. I can select the desired space and change the space name from the drop-down menu in the Object Info palette. I can also choose to edit this list of spaces if the name I need is not available automatically. The same is true for the Occupant Organization drop-down menu, which also includes a custom field to allow you to input your own settings. From the Object Info palette, you can also change the way a space's 2D boundary is displayed. You can choose from options like wall center lines. If you choose net or gross boundary, you're given an additional drop-down to choose how the net or gross boundary is defined. For this example, I'll choose gross boundary and set it to custom, which gives you the option to set a different boundary option for each side of the wall by clicking the desired wall and then choosing from the list of boundary options. Now, I'll activate the Space tool and select the Preferences button in the toolbar. As you can see, we've changed the interface so that the settings categories appear on the left, the fields for each selected category appear in the center, and your preview window shows on the right. At times, you may create a room that is too small to house all the data of the space tag. Now, when moving tags, you have the option to use a leader line and a marker point back to the selected space. Additionally, there is an eyedropper mode, which allows you to transfer desired parameters from one space to another. The parameters that will be transferred can be set from the Advanced Properties section of the Space Setting dialog box. For example, if I choose to use the symbol definition setting as the parameter to be transferred from one to another, I can change the different tag symbols used for space. Notice the information displayed in the tag is not changed, only the symbol for the tag, because this is the only option selected in the Advanced Properties for the eyedropper. Also, some of the tag symbols are multi-class symbols, meaning different parts of the tag are assigned to different classes. If I only wish to show the room name in these tags, I can turn off all of the other classes like name and room number. This feature will be useful when displaying different plans on a sheet layer with multiple viewports. By giving you more available parameters for space objects and revamping the space setting interface, you will be able to create spaces to suit your specific needs from a single space layout for a fully detailed plan.